When you're not a developer, installing frameworks like Node, Git, Grunt, and Terminal can seem totally overwhelming. Type what? Where? Do what? How do I launch it? Oh, I give up. Then when you finally bribed a developer to help you and you've got the framework going, what happens when it needs updating? Or worse, stops working? What if there was an option out there that offered the Adapt Builder hosted in the cloud? Well, there is, and it's fantastic. In this session, you'll get a crash course in designing engaging learning apps using the Adapt Builder. You'll find out how customizing the menu and theme can bring your content in Adapt to life. You'll have the opportunity to see how the presentation and question components work, and how adding custom extensions adds more functionality. If you're wanting to learn how to build award-winning kick-ass courses in Adapt, then this is the session for you. Contact me if you have any questions, and I'll see you there.